Hello and welcome. In this video, I will introduce you to HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the code that is used to structure a web page and its content. For example, content could be structured within a set of paragraphs, a list of bulleted points, or using images and data tables. HTML is a markup language and not a programming language. HTML defines the structure of your content using markup. HTML consists of a series of elements. An element is basically a part of a web page. The elements are used to wrap different parts of the content to make it appear a certain way or act a certain way. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are represented by tags, opening and closing tags. HTML elements can have tags that are used to label pieces of content on a website, such as heading, paragraph, and so on. Web browsers uses the tags to render or display the content of a website, but the web browsers does not display the actual HTML tags.